Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the file in Visual Studio Code and placing the cursor where you want comments. Once done, select a single line or drag to select a block of code. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to select a line quickly. Make sure the editor's language mode matches your file so comments use the right syntax. You're beginning an immediate action, selection. This matters because comment shortcuts depend on what's selected, and the language parser VS Code uses. You now apply comments using shortcuts. For one-line comments, press Ctrl or Command +/ to toggle a line comment, fast and reversible. For larger selections, use Shift + Alt + A to wrap a block comment that fits many languages. If your shortcuts conflict, open the command palette and search for Toggle Line Comment or Toggle Block Comment and rebind them. These methods are faster than typing symbols, and they preserve indentation and formatting, which keeps your code readable and consistent. You finish by applying advanced options and a troubleshooting step. Try language-specific snippets or extensions to insert JSDoc or docstring templates automatically. They save time and enforce style. If shortcuts don't work, open Keyboard Shortcuts Preferences and search for conflicts, then reassign keys. This resolves most issues. Also, make sure settings like Format on Save or Trim Trailing Whitespace won't remove your comment formatting. If a problem persists, restart VS Code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.